Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. As you can see, I am about to fail with my Kickstarter campaign. So, 30 seconds to go. I had one more pledge this morning from Vietnam. Thank you very much, but I did not reach my goal. And it's a shame, really. But what I will do is I will get in contact. I did with all of them so far, and to offer to build the EnviroNode for them personally. I mean, I was gonna build it anyway, but so if they still want it, they will be able. Funding unsuccessful. Thank you very much, Kickstarter, for nothing. I got 3 backers from Kickstarter. The rest, it was my previous customers from my Tindy store or through my YouTube channel. Kickstarter puts it up on the new campaigns or pledges or whatever the page is called. I don't even know. And as you can imagine, there are, I don't know how many of them coming every day. My Kickstarter was there maybe for a day on there, and I got 3 pledges through them and nothing else. So I thought me and my wife had high hopes to really break through and not to raise a lot of money. That was not my intention, but to be seen by many people. And I have not through Kickstarter. And I got in contact with Indiegogo, and after not understanding my question in the first time, they did not even go into it on the second email that I wrote, on the reply that I first got from them. And I said, what are you doing different than Kickstarter to promote my campaign? I did not get an answer because they don't do anything either. So you have to go through all the scam and spam emails that you get once you put up a project, with everybody promising you the Virgin Mary and whatnot, and you have to pay up to 30% of the commission of the funds that you make, and pay up to $1,000 for advertisement. One company, they will have you pay for the advertisement. They do. I mean, if I pay for it, I can do it myself. And then they take money out of your pledge amount. Others offer you 1 day free, and then they get you like 3 pledges during the first day. And the second day you have to pay. And once you come to the end, those 3 pledges get withdrawn and you get nothing. It's just a scam. And for every scam and spam email, if I would have gotten $5, I would have the money collected to make it successful. So anyway, I thank very much to every person who supported me, and for Emmanuel in France, who helped me with to bring this to Reddit to get some customers or pledges from there. Didn't work out, but I did promise him I will send him one EnviroNode because he actually liked it, and I will send it one to him as a present for his help. And I got in contact with all the people, like I said, and whoever. I have 2 positive replies for now that still want the EnviroNode, and I will build it for them and send it out to them. And that was it. That was my first but not last Kickstarter campaign, because I'm working on the next one. It will be a clock. I understand that this product was a niche product that most people probably don't even understand what it actually does or what kind of capabilities it really has. And so my next project is a clock. Who cannot use a clock? You can buy a clock for your wife. A wife can buy it for her husband. It has many nice features. It's a different type of clock. And I will also select people to show it on their YouTube channel to hopefully get more backers this time. And I will make a really low funding goal. Maybe like for 10 clocks only. And see how that goes. And I told my wife, if that doesn't work, I'm gonna give up, because I'm too old for this. I don't have the nerves, and it might not seem like much work to put this up on Kickstarter, but it is. And I mean, it's like that one song, I know a goodbye when I hear it. And I'm not gonna do this indefinitely. So I think a clock, everybody can use a clock. Everybody could buy a clock as a present. Nobody's gonna buy the Envirnote as a present for somebody. And so that will be my second Kickstarter. I was actually planning on making a nice watch winder, which I might still do, but first I have to have a successful campaign. Otherwise it's just a really waste of time. And for me it was not just waste of time, it was waste of a lot of money. And even if I sell those few that I will make for the customers who want it, I'm not making any profit out of it. I'm still in the minus, in the red numbers. So, but we had a really big misconception of Kickstarter. We thought, like the spammers that offer like 170,000 people on newsletters, which who knows who those people are. You don't even have proof if they have that many, because it's not like excuse me. It's not like they send you the emails to you. They just say it's 170,000, and they take up to 30% of your pledge amount. So for that, I have to increase the price of the product by 50% to get all those advertisements paid, and there is no guarantee that it does work, because they're not transparent. And what was I gonna say? I forgot. So yeah. Oh yes, we thought that Kickstarter has this. I mean, they must have millions of backers so far, right? And they have different categories. And I thought that my product was in the technology category, that they at least send out newsletters to those people that pledged before in the technology category. And I thought, okay, they sent out an email or newsletter or whatever, and hundreds of thousands of people will see it. But they don't. They don't do that. And it's a shame. And Indiegogo doesn't do that either. So you have to do all the advertisement, you have to pay for all of it and whatnot. And I could just put this product on my Tindy page and make the advertisement and don't have to pay Kickstarter and their payment processing fees and whatnot, and I don't have to pay that. I can keep that for myself, right? So anyway, so thank you for the last backer. I really appreciate it. It came in the last second, but unfortunately it did not help. I will get in contact with him and offer him to still make the Envirnote for him. So anyway, thanks for watching and take care everybody, and stay tuned if you want to know about my next Kickstarter campaign. Take care.